Guys, welcome back again to the Quanti7 platform or the QS platform. Here we are again having another session. Of course, last time we were together seeing how would we actually import our plot into the ArchiCAD, and especially we are actually using the 25th version of ArchiCAD, as you can see. And last time we imported this kind of plot within our ArchiCAD file so that we can start using it. So we are going to be breathing again about the resizing of the plot, and then we start drawing our project, of course. So I'll just delete this and have something to remind us. So we're here within this browser and within the Kigali City Master Plan 2020, trying to import one of the plots within our ArchiCAD file. So as we've seen it already, here we search our UPI, or our number by which we state or we identify our plot, and we'll be picking any plot randomly so that we can start using it. Say for example 01 slash 02 slash again 09 slash 02 slash, for example, 8201, as we did last time. Then we hit enter. Oh, sorry, I must have typed this the wrong way. 01 02 09. Sorry, let me check again. Okay, 01 02 slash 09. Sorry. Okay, let me check it first. We're actually having like we're having this 1 slash 02 slash 09. Okay, slash 02 again, then slash 8201. This is the plot that we are referencing on. So I'd like to take it again. As you can see, we were having this plot actually, so I just close this for now, and our plot was this one, this. Okay, so I'm not entirely going to take this one. Let's, for example, take another plot within here, anyone. Okay, let me take like this one, 70 40. This is the number, which should be this one. So you just click like within this plot. Sorry. Okay, so this is our plot, and as you can see, they are telling us that its API is this one, and its locations this one, from the village, the province, this is sector, and then the cell. Its full API is this one, as you can see. This is just a parcel ID, and then we are having the square meters, of course, the zoning code, and the zoning area. It's still the same as the first one we've chosen, so I'll do the same as the last one. I just need to come here and have a screenshot. Let me have it like from here. Okay, I take everything and then I just save as a picture, of course. Let me save it by the name like example, and then save it anyway. So I close this, and then I can start checking its dimensions. So I just come within here, measurements, and I hit the distance, and I make sure that this is within the meters, because I like to use meters. So anyone else can use whatever he is familiar with, and then I just zoom again, and then I measure from here up to here, like we're having something like 30 meters. So I clear this because I need only one side to resize, and make sure that to remember that we have 30 meters from here to here. And we can even have this side. Let me take like this, sorry, measure of course, and from this point up to this one, as you can see, we're having something like 18.1 meters. 18.1 meters. So I clear this one and come within my ArchiCAD file. So I just import the picture which I've already saved. It's within here. Sorry, like, okay, I take this, this example, and I just put it within here. But before I do this, I will make sure that I've considered my my working units. See, I've already put in everything that I want to be using, so I won't be repeating this. So I just come within here. So as you remember, we've measured this side one to be actually 18.1 meter. So all you need to do, you need to select this picture and come to the resize, or if you don't see it, you can come here within the edit and come within here the reshape, and then activate it by here. But again, you can even use a shortcut which is Ctrl K, and then you resize everything, as you can see. And I'll just start within this point, and I move to this. You click here and then type your measurements, which should be here, which is 1810 centimeters, which is actually 18.1 meters. So I hit enter, and boom, our shape should be actually on size by now. So if you measure by clicking to this ruler, where is it, to this ruler which is measure, or even you hit M, you can measure from this point and come to this, and as you can see, we are having 1810 almost. So that's gotta be accurate. So all you gotta do after this, you just have to fill in all this, then you just fill this, but make sure that your fill should contain the area so that we can just check whether we are doing the things the way they are supposed to be done. You come here to the fill, and then make sure that you turned on this show area text, and then okay, I can go on with this, and then I start drawing my plot. So I should be having 18.10. okay, I move around, this side should be actually be like 30, so make sure to let this go within here. Sorry, I've gone too far. So it's like this, and then you hit here and make sure that you hit within this point again. So your text, put it wherever you want. So I just want to put it here. So as you can see, we're having 563. So if we check here, we are having 574, which means that we are not accurately drawing this the right way, or we've just mistaken a slightest measurement. So you can even select this field of yours and then resize till you have sorry, and then offset till you have this 574. So we can start by this, and then you choose offset all edges. You do something like this, and as you can see, we are having a change within our square meters, so we've gone too far. So we back a little. 772, we want 74. So you move something like this. 72 point. So we still need to move something. 72. We still need again to move, of course. Okay. 574.46. This actually might work. So this is it. And then, because I need to make sure that I have access to this road, I can even start drawing the lines connecting this road to my plot. So I just need a polyline because I like to be having an enclosed space here. So I just do something like this. Means that this road is actually having like 7 meters, so I just have to move along with my plot and then come like this. As you can see, I'm following this line of the road, so I put it like here, here, and then as you can see, wow, this is it. And remember that if I remove this fill, I'll just remain with an identified cell or plot. So I want to move this line, of course, Control D, and make sure that it attaches to the extremity of the plot. So I put it here, even though I'll be having a little change, but it's okay. And then I make sure to use a polyline again, and then make sure that I have to hit these corners of the plot. I move along with this. I come and hit here on this side, of course. This is it. And then I move again to unclose this. Okay, so now I can delete this field. I can even delete this picture, and now this is it. So as you can see, this is the road and this is actually the plot. You can even change the colors of these lines by hitting Ctrl T, and then you choose to change as however you want it. So let me take this for a plot, and then the road I make it black. Even if you come here, you can make it black here. Okay, so I want to make sure that this plot is actually interconnected to the road, so it's just a little movement you gotta do. So I come here, I move by Control D, or even you can move by here and then choose move node. Sorry, if you move just a node, you're moving 1 point, and that's not what I want. So I come to the drag, and then if I drag this, or if you hit Control D, I drag this here. And the next thing I want to do is making sure that I rotate this a little bit so that the road can come up with something good. So I hit Control E like this, or even you can hit this button and then come to this rotate. So I move from this point, and then I come within to this point, and I rotate it to this line, which is the road. So now we have our plot, and we can start by drawing. So the next thing I like is to come up with this. So I like to draw facing the road, facing the plot, means that this road I want it to be on the upside down. So I just hit Control M, which is mirror, or even you can click wherever you want, and then come within this mirror. So like this actually. So whether you like it this way, or even if you may like it to be on the right or on the horizontal angle, on the horizontal line, which is straightly horizontal. So I may hit Control E again, and then I rotate this to be like this, or you can even choose to do it on this side by hitting Control E, and again move like within the right side. So this is it. So, and if I'm done with this, I can start actually drawing my project, of course. But for today, let me hope that we've already seen clearly how you're gonna be resizing your plot within the dimensions that you want, so that you can start using it. So I hope this video is helpful for now, and then let's come up with the next part where we start drawing our bidding, of course. Thanks for being with us, and you're always welcome to start subscribing and sharing your ideas on how we might be improving things. So thank you guys.